Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today, we're going to get through our Freebie Friday savings challenges. I will let you know where I got these savings challenges from. Also, I will link them down below. Let's see, how much are we starting today? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 bucks is what we're working with today. Fantastic. So glad to see it. I have been just working on, in terms of my savings challenges, making sure to do Freebie Friday, Mini Monday, and Savings Saturdays if I'm able to. So far so good. I did decide in March that I was going to cut back my cash stuffing videos. So we'll see how the month of April goes. By filming every day, getting more content out there, I was able to receive a YouTube paycheck every single month. So we'll see how this goes. I will try to make sure to, stay engaged and do what I got to do on my part. Sorry for the interruption. My kitty's exploring whatever is going on over there in my closet. So, we have this savings challenge that we're working on for the month of April, which is from SilynthiaC Budget Creations collaboration. And so we will work on this. Let's do that one first, and then we'll look for change because we're going to need change. But if I can get this change from here, let's try that. Okay, such a beautiful savings challenge. 1. Okay, that doesn't help too much with getting change. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, probably, okay, I'll do it that way so I know how much 3 again. 1, 2. Uh-oh. Let's do this the right way. We have 1. Pen's not writing. 3. 3. So that is 3, 6, 7. So let's just grab a 5 from here. Okay. 6. 5. 6. How about I make a mess and let's grab that 10. We'll put a 10 here. Put these 5s here because the 5s may be a little bit easier to break down. Okay, how much did I just? We had a 6. 6 plus 6, 12, 13. We should have $13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that's good because we want to keep going with the saving challenge. We'll see how things go. All right, now in total we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44 bucks. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, and do this 10. Do we have? I think we only have 4 ones left. I'm going to see if I can find some change. If not, that's okay because what we can go ahead and do is we can go back to this savings challenge. We have, I believe, 8 savings challenges in this binder. Oh, let me put this one away. I got pretty bold because I'm not filming every day to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have 7 because I finished 1 already. So, I confused myself really good the last time we came together. All right, so let's see what we can do here. We'll get change as we go through to do these savings challenges. 4, this one only needed 2, so that one is completed. 3, this one only needs 3, so that one is completed. 2 bucks here. 3 here. 6. And we need change. So let's see what we're rolling for. This one's a 1. We definitely need change. So what we'll do is we will go back here, mark this one as complete, and get some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that right? All right. So this savings challenge should have saved me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 doll hairs. And we have 5, 10, 15, 16. Perfect. I'll move this off to the side so we can keep going. Rewind. This savings challenge is from Jessie Budgets. All of these are freebies, so I'll try to remember to tell you. This one's from Buttercup Budgets, which is being completed because we're adding $3 here. All right, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this savings challenge saved me 10, 15, 16 bucks. Love, love, love to see it. Okay. All right, so this one is a roll and save, so we're not going to mess with this one yet. And then, does that complete the savings challenge? 2, 4. This one only needed 4 bucks. So let's take care of that. Because each teacup was 2 doll hairs. This savings challenge is from Financial Dreams with Christine. And so what we're going to do is just add $4 here. Instead of that 6, and let's make change as well. But 2, 4, 6, 8, we should have $16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll snag a 5. All right, we are completing savings challenges today. Yay! All right, and we're going to throw a 1 in here. All right, and then next 5, 6, and I believe 2, 4, 6. That completes this savings challenge. Okay, we are. Let's see here. I'm going to have this 6 bucks. And 3, because each of my letters are $2. This savings challenge is from Frugality is Life, and we saved 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 doll hairs with this savings challenge. So wonderful to see it. I'm going to have to pull out some more savings challenges, it looks like. Okay, so we only have, it looks like we only have 3 remaining. Let me get situated here, because what I want to do is make sure I'm not doing a whole bunch of unnecessary work. 1 second. All right, let's continue on. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're in the danger zone. 2. And I only have $3 left here. So I think what I'm going to do, instead of rolling and getting an IOU, because you guys know I'm such a crybaby about it, I'm going to go ahead and add these 3 bucks here, which will be perfect. All right. Now, let's carry on. This saving challenge is from Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. And we are adding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 here. I've been doing this one as a roll and save to try to save a little bit more money on it. Seems like it's going well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. I'm going to pull this and put a 20 in here so that way I can have change when I need it. Since this one is still rocking and rolling. All right, and we're adding $3 to this savings challenge. And this one's from the Faithful Dash. And each Bible is worth $3. Oh, $1, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. Looks like we still have a ways to go on this one as well. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Not quite ready to put a 20 in there yet. I was hoping though. All right, in this savings challenge, is from Hot Beauty Budgets, and each egg is worth $2. I still need to color in the last 4. I didn't do that yet. I will work on it because I think it's really cool to have them colored in. So this one only needed $6, 2, 4, 6. So we still have $2 there. So we may be able to add it to the other savings challenge. So I will color this in. Hopefully you remember to take a picture, maybe put it in a thumbnail or put it into a post of some sort, because I want to see it finished, and hopefully you all want to see it finished as well. But this savings challenge is completed now, and we have saved 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 doll hairs is what we have here. And I will take these 5 and grab 20. So since this one's completed, I'll put it off to the side. Let's see, where can we put this $2? Where do we want this $2? How about we put it here in our Flourish Savings Challenge. That's what we'll do. We'll add $2 more here. Perfect. All right, so now in total we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 dollars here, and awesome, awesome, awesome. So once I complete a few more savings challenges, I will be doing another sinking funds cash stuffing. That's been a perfect way for me to save and a perfect way for me to have money for the things that we want to spend money on, because I don't have a lot of income. I have to save throughout the week and save from each paycheck. And then I save a little bit, and then I'm able to do a separate cash stuffing where I can do things that are fun with my children. I can have some time for myself, whether it be self-care or whatever that is. Also things like keeping up with car washes. It's starting to slow down with the rain and the snow, knock on wood, but still sometimes, you know, with the wind kicking up and things like that, trying to keep up with cleaning that car. It is an older car, so I think I have a tendency to want to clean it, and just because it is one of those things where it's an old car, it doesn't need to look dirty, you know what I mean? So anyway, that's that. Let me see, since these are completed, I've got a couple more 20s over here. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can grab some 20s. That's good. Perfect. So my sinking funds binder is actually in my safe. I didn't pull it out, so I'll have to actually grab that binder and put this money into my savings envelope, so that way when I'm ready to do a cash stuffing, all of the money will be placed together. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you found one of these savings challenges appealing and you want to grab a freebie yourself. I will try to make sure and link all of the lovely ladies down below. It does help tremendously for me to have free savings challenges. I do have an Etsy shop, and I do have a very creative partner who she creates all kinds of things for not only the shop, but also for her channel, her YouTube channel. I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. It'll be linked. Also, she has a Ko-Fi shop and memberships. Oh man, there's such pretty savings challenges, and those are in my Saturday savings. But yes, if you're interested in any of those, whether you want to get freebies, grab them. If you want to support a shop, please do. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.